In this video, I'll show you how to create a test mode API key in Stripe. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and open your account. Next, make sure you're in test mode by turning on the test mode switch in the Stripe dashboard. Now go to Developers and select API keys. After that, look for the Standard Keys section and find the test keys. You should see a publishable key and a secret key for your test environment. Next, click Reveal Test Key Token to display the secret key. Now, copy the key and store it securely. Never share your secret key publicly or place it directly in client-side code. After that, use the test mode key in your development environment or application when making requests to Stripe. Next, keep test mode enabled while you're testing so you don't accidentally use live payment data. Finally, when you're finished testing, return to the API keys page to manage or rotate your keys as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a test mode API key in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.